Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate leads. I'm going to share with you step by step. You can watch this full video to learn everything. I will also share with you how to get free traffic. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on CPA Grip network. Guys, this is the best and most popular CPA network. This network have lots of tools like content locker, URL locker, video locker, offer walls. CPA Grip network is available worldwide, so no matter what country you are in, you can use this network from anywhere in the world. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on register button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your first name, last name, your address. You can type your Skype, WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram. You can type here your Telegram ID, Skype ID. You can type here your email address, password. You can select your time zone. Now you can read and accept its terms of service. At last, you can click on register now button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see my today's revenue, and here you can see top CPA marketers. All these persons are generating good amount of leads. You can click on offer tools button. Now click on my offers button. Now you can select your United States country. Here you can see top CPA offers. These offers are performing well. If you promote this CPA offer, then you can get this amount. You can simply click here to open this CPA offer. Here you can see payout rates. Here you can see accepted countries. Here you can see accepted device. Here you can see CPA link. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Now in next step, what you will have to do is, you will have to create landing page. You can create landing page using Google site, blogger website. You can also use AI platform to create landing page. If you have website, then you can use your website to promote this CPA offer. If you do not have website, then you can go on Qwen platform. And then you can create account on this platform. You can select here this option. Now you can type your prompt. You can type here this kind of prompt. Now you can type your title of CPA offers. You can go on CPA Grip platform. Here is showing title. You can copy this title. Now go on Qwen platform. Paste here the title. Now type here is CPA link. Go on CPA Grip platform. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Go on Qwen platform. Paste your CPA link. Similarly, you can type here is second CPA offer. You can go on CPA Grip platform. You can open this CPA offer. You can copy title of this CPA offer. Now you can go on Qwen platform. You can paste here the title. Now you can paste your CPA link. Go on CPA Grip platform. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Go on Qwen platform and paste your CPA link. Go on CPA Grip platform and copy this text. Go on Qwen platform and you can paste here the text. At last, you can click on this button. Guys, it will take some time to generate landing page. You need to wait. As you can see, this AI platform has generated great landing page. This platform has added 2 CPA offers on this landing page. You can click on deploy button. Click on deploy button. Guys, here is showing landing page URL. You can click here to copy this URL. Now you can open this URL in new tab. Here is showing my landing page. It's looking simple and great. Let me show you how you can get audience on this landing page. You can go on this platform, which I will tell you later. Here you can see featured ads. Lots of people are promoting their services on this platform. You can post 5 free ads every month. Here you can see latest ads. This ads has published 2 hours ago. Here you can see location California, USA. This ad has been published 2 hours ago. Here you can see location Singapore. Let me show you how you can post free ads on this platform. You can click on post free ads button. It will then take you to this page. You need to register on this platform. You can type your username, you can type your email address, password. You can accept its terms of service. At last, you can click on register button. I have already created an account on this platform. I'm going to log in. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on post free ads button. Now you can scroll down. You can select your category. Here you can see there are a lot of categories. You can select any of this category according to your CPA offer. You can select your subcategory. You will then come to this page. You can type your ad title. You can select your price. You can type your description. You can select your open hours. You can upload your image. You can select your country. Now you can type your website URL. You can paste your landing page URL. If you want, you can provide your social media profiles. At last, you can read and agree its terms and conditions. You can click on submit button. I'm going to fill all of this information. Type your title. You can go on your landing page. Here is showing title. You can copy this title. Now go on this platform. This platform's name is adpostman.com. You can paste your title. Now you can paste your description. You can copy this description. Now go on this platform. You can paste here the description. You can use ChatGPT to generate more description. You can go on ChatGPT platform and you can type your prompt. Now you can type your give me short description on this topic. You can copy this description. Now go on AdPostman platform and paste here the description. You can select any of this text. Click on this link icon. Now paste your website URL. You can paste your landing page URL. You can go on Qwen platform. Here is showing landing page URL. You can click here to copy this URL. Now go on AdPostman platform and paste here that URL. Click on this button. You can scroll down. If you want, you can enable all of this option. This is optional. Now you can upload your image. You can go on ChatGPT platform. You can type here please generate image on this topic. Here is showing generated image. You can click here to download this image. Now you can go on AdPostman platform and you can upload here that image. Here is showing that image. You can scroll down. You can select your location. You can select USA location. You can select your state. You can select any of this state. Now you can type your phone number. You can paste here your website URL. You can go on Qwen platform. Here is showing landing page URL. You can click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on AdPostman platform. You can paste here that URL. You can scroll down. If you want, you can paste here your Facebook profile URL. You can type here your Instagram username. At last, you can click on submit button. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, my advertisement has submitted successfully. Here is showing a status. It's in pending. It will take some time to get approval from AdPostman platform. Guys, here is showing my post. Here is showing image. Here is showing title. Here is showing location. And here is showing description. Here is showing clickable text. When people from United States click on this text using Apple iOS device, then they will be redirected on the CPA Offers landing page. When that person will just submit his email address, then you can generate leads. For that lead, you can get this amount. Guys, you can also share your landing page on Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and all social media platforms to get more visitors. Using this method, you can generate good amount of leads. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.